AirPods are fantastic. They're convenient, they sound fantastic, and they're full of features. But we can actually make them sound even better by just adjusting a couple settings. And I'm not going to be talking about adjusting the EQ. I'm going to be talking about how you can fully manually adjust the settings. First things first is you want to start off by getting your AirPods and actually putting them in your ear. Get them connected to your iPhone, iPad, whatever you're doing this on. So you want to start off by opening up the settings app on your iPhone, and you want to scroll down and tap accessibility. And then go down to audio and visual, which is this one here. It's underneath the hearing category. Tap onto that. Tap headphone accommodations. Now, I'll just turn it off as that's what it is by default. But you want to switch that on, and you can press this play sample button here. But what I would recommend is having a song that you really like playing. So, just choose like anything to play. So I'll just go Nirvana song, for example. You just want to have the song playing and be listening to it while adjusting the settings. So balanced tone balances everything, all the frequencies, vocals, trebles, bass. It's a bit more balanced, and there's a little slider here where you can switch between slight, moderate, and strong. I would recommend having it on moderate. Slight, you won't notice a difference to how it usually sounds. Moderate is what I usually have it on, but strong is just a little bit too strong. Strong is very punchy, and it does sound very nice, and everything is nicely together. Although, for some reason, I just don't like the sound of the ambience, because you can hear a lot of static from the microphone that obviously the vocalist of songs was recording, because it's just very, I don't know, you'll understand what I mean if you try it yourself. But I just don't really use strong. I'm just more light and moderate. But yeah, and also, to make it even better, go down to your control center, hold down the volume control, tap the the spatial audio and set it to fixed, and it'll sound very, very good. So yeah, anyways, that's it for me for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.